Hello, my love. Happy Wednesday. I'm Samra from KasaiThrive.com, and I am a meditation teacher and tarot reader on the interwebs. I'm so happy that I got to combine my two favorite things, tarot and meditation, and bring you this practice today. I also wanted to let you know that during the month of June, I'm going to be running an emotional healing deep dive. It's going to be an amazing 4 weeks with only the most beautiful humans, and I really, really want you to be a part of it. So all of the information for how you can get in on that is below, and I hope you enjoy your practice. Bye now. Hey! Okay, I am back. I'm going to do a little reading for the week and see what kind of practice it is we need. Probably some kind of meditation, but let's just begin. Hope y'all are having a wonderful hump day. I've been chilling, having a slow morning. I guess it's afternoon now. It's finally afternoon. My days have been so slow. Mostly deliberately. I've just been kind of doing very little, but it's been very nice. It's been nice doing very little. How are you? I hope you're well. I hope you're safe. I hope you're cozy and like chilling, even though it's a Wednesday. I've been challenging myself to find reasons to relax every single day. Okay, let's see what's up. Let's see what we need. I spent a lot of time in the park on Monday, and that was beautiful. I haven't spent that much time outside. I think I was out there for probably like 4 hours. I was outside. I went on a bike ride. I went on a walk. Sat next to some water. It's been nice. Alright. Okay, we have the moon in reverse, which is just basically being more honest. The way that I'm reading this, just being brutally honest with yourself. We also have the sun in reverse. So yeah, I think it's just growing up about something, being like, brutally honest, but just being transparent with yourself and letting go of any illusions that you have about who you are and what you don't deserve, and what's too good for you is what I'm getting. So really, maybe this will just be a 1-card pull because I'm feeling like I just want to talk to you all today. So yeah, just if you have a moment, just sit and think about what it is that you're lying to yourself about as far as what you're not worthy of, as far as what it is that you're not capable of, what's too good for you. And I would just take a moment and just sit with those feelings of inadequacy. Sit with them, like actually let them wash through you. And yeah, just let it be okay. Let it be okay. Actually, now I want to breathe. Let's breathe a little bit. So let's just close our eyes. Watch our breath. And I'll just offer you a practice that I offered last week in our free workshop. So we're watching the breath. And we'll start to bring our breath together. So we'll take a cleansing breath in, all the way in through the nose, into your belly, into the chest. And once you're all the way full, just let it out the mouth. Beautiful. So keeping the eyes closed, let's see if we can allow ourselves to breathe a little deeper each time we inhale. To get a little softer each time we exhale. To just gently ask ourselves, where am I not good enough? Why am I not good enough? What makes me unworthy of everything I'm dreaming of? And where do I feel unsafe in even wanting these things? So I'll give you a moment to just sit with those questions, watch your breath. And if anything comes up that feels scary or unwelcome, just try to welcome it. And a good way to welcome it is to just breathe deeply into the belly. And on your exhale, just say, "This is safe." Ultimately, everything is safe. Everything your mind conjures up, everything your body feels, none of it can hurt you. All of it is safe. So we'll just sit in that practice for about 10 cycles of breath. And I'll let you know when it's time to come out. We'll take about 2 more deep inhales, deep exhales. Reminding yourself how safe you are no matter what's going on up there in your mind. And we'll come together with a cleansing breath. So breathing in through the nose, filling up the belly, up into the chest. Side out the mouth and soften. We'll open the eyes. And I just want to remind you that the card doesn't lie. It's all an illusion. Any reason that you're not feeling good enough or feeling worthy or feeling capable, just allow yourself to actually think the thoughts without judgment, without fear, without silencing yourself. And then just gently remind yourself that it can't hurt you. It's all safe, and you're doing great. All right, my love? I'll see you soon. Hey, beautiful. How was your meditation? I hope it was well. I hope you are feeling refreshed, relaxed, and I also hope that you're curious about what's going on in June. So as I mentioned, we're doing the emotional healing deep dive for the whole month of June. It's going to be 4 fantastic weeks. We're going to really be connecting with ourselves, connecting with our hearts, connecting with others, and I just would love for you to be a part of it. So again, it's called Proud to Feel because it's during Pride Month, and all of the information is in the description box below. If you have any questions, you can always email me, follow me on Insta, send me a DM, but other than that, have a wonderful rest of your week.